Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A common frequently asked question, then how can I get a car through Islamic banks or Islamic finance company? In Islamic banks, this product called auto murabaha, and the structure or the product is that client submit application for a car and bringing a quotation. This quotation addressed from the vendor to Islamic bank, because the car from the vendor is going to bank, not to client. So the quotation, it is recommended, it is the excellent practice, it is required in Sharia but not compulsory, that quotation should be addressed to Islamic bank. Then Islamic bank is going to the vendor and purchasing car through LPO. LPO means local purchase order. And Islamic banks sometimes paying the price through manager check or through on spot or online transfer or anyway, because this depends on the different practices and bank policy and MOU signed between the vendor and the bank. Islamic bank now in this case purchased car and paid cash price to the vendor, and now the risk and the ownership transferred from vendor to Islamic bank. Then Islamic bank called customer, and customer is coming. Islamic bank fixed a price. For example, Islamic bank buying this car on 10,000, and then Islamic bank fixing a price of 11,000, making profit 1,000, and calling the customer and saying that I am selling you this car on 11,000. If the customer is agreed, then the customer signing murabaha contract. So murabaha contract is a contract of sale purchase between bank and client. Why murabaha contract to be signed, and why not to be signed with the vendor? Because the bank is not interested that how much profit the vendor is making. On the other side, the client is interested to know the profit portion, and the client asks a question from the bank, what is your profit rate? So in this case, we are signing murabaha contract. When they sign murabaha contract, on signing murabaha contract, immediately ownership transferred from bank to the client. The risk also transfer from bank to the client. After that, bank is asking for collateral, mortgage or guarantee. If there are two guarantor, as per different practices, different policies, yes, the car will be on the name of client in all cases, but the bank, to be on safe side, the client is giving guarantor. But if there is nothing, then the same car, after signing murabaha, which is now the property of a client, the client is saying, yes, I will make collateral, I will make mortgage my car with you. So the car is mortgaged with Islamic bank, and when the installment will be finished, then they will give Fakkur Rahan, and release from the mortgage, and then totally the client is free to sell this car to the third party again. In this case, only one thing, the price is fixed from the day one. Either the client is default or coming to early settlement, the client has to pay the price which is decided from the day one. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. If you learn something new, like the video and subscribe the channel if you want to learn more about Islamic banking industry, Islamic matrimonial and family problems, solutions, and advice for an ideal life.